Hello everyone! Julie is here. Today you will learn how to draw a watermelon ice cream. I'm so glad to see you today, guys. So what you will need for drawing a watermelon ice cream? You will need paper, pencil and something to color with. It could be crayons, color pencils, markers, whatever you have at home. I wish you a happy drawing, guys. So let's start and have some fun! Okay, guys, let's start drawing our watermelon ice cream. I will start drawing our watermelon ice cream from going up and then going down, like I'm drawing a rectangle. So, and now the same line down. If something goes wrong, don't hesitate to pause the video, take your time and rewatch it and redraw it. So try to keep these lines on one level, so you can check it with your pencil and rub it out if it's too long. And then we will be connecting these two lines in a little curved line, with a little curved line. So I will go like this. And now I will just correct a little bit here. And now I will be drawing its stick. So I will go somewhere in the middle. You can use your pencil to find the middle line, and we will be drawing its stick. So I will go down and then we'll go up again like this. And now we will repeat this curved line 2 times, so you can make it as wide as you wish. Just show the dots you wish to connect, and you can try to repeat your curved line here and go the same here. Or if something is wrong, just if you are using pencil, it's easy to correct. And now I will make another line, but a little bit not so wide. So I will make it narrow, and you can even make in the middle these dots. Just it will be easy for you to connect them. So, and you just trying to connect these dots together and repeat your curved line here. And just correct a little bit in order it looks smooth like this. And now I will be drawing a funny face to our watermelon ice cream. So I will draw 2 circles, one circle here and one circle here like this, and then I repeat these circles inside, 1 and 2. And I will also draw a spotlight here, 1 and 2. And you can draw even more spotlights if you wish, guys, just to make shiny eyes for your watermelon ice cream. And then I will make this curved line for its smile, and you can make it funny. And also I will draw seeds to decorate our watermelon. So you can draw as many as you wish, 1, 2, 3 or even more, or make a nose of this seeds if you wish, guys. So you can make it like this and here, in order to make it look funny. And you also can, when you will be coloring them, you can leave some spotlights here inside to make them look shiny and bright. And we can also add a few seeds here, or you can draw just 2 or 3. It's just up to you, guys. So our funny watermelon is almost ready, and we only have to color it. Okay guys, let's start coloring our watermelon ice cream with its eyes. So I will leave small spots for spotlights just to make them shiny, and all the rest I will just color it black. And also we'll do the same for the seeds. And if you want to add some cute eyelashes or eyebrows, you can definitely do this to make our ice cream look funny and cute. So maybe I will just draw small eyebrows here, and I will be coloring seeds and leaving these white spots here just to make them look shiny. So, and you can color them absolutely black, and it's also fine, so it's just up to you. And you can draw even some more seeds if you wish, or just few. And maybe you will decide to color them not black but maybe with brown. It also will look cute. And now I will be coloring its mouth, and I will draw a funny tongue here inside. So I will just draw this pink, these curved lines here, and then color it black because it's dark inside, so we can't see what is there. And look how cute it is already. And now I will come back to size and make them green. And use green for this bottom part of the ice cream. So I will just color it with markers, but if you wish to color it with pencils or paints, don't hesitate to do this. So it actually doesn't matter so much what material you use, just the color is important. That this part of our watermelon ice cream is green. And then I will use red for its body. So, and this one I will leave with white, but if you wish you can also color it yellow or pink. And here I will be coloring just with red. And look how already it's becoming looking yummy. It's so funny, I just love it. And you also can decorate the stick with some dots or sparkles, or maybe to draw something there like hearts or stars or some patterns. It's just up to your creativity, guys. I'm just showing you some ideas, but you are creators and you are creating your own world with pencils and markers. And isn't it fantastic, guys, that you can draw almost everything you wish? And it's so bright and yummy. And it's summertime, so it's a great idea to draw a watermelon ice cream. And I love watermelon ice creams. Just love ice cream. And what about you guys? Do you like ice creams? I'm definitely love ice creams. So, I'm just trying to be careful here while coloring and moving in one direction, just to make it look smooth and yummy. And if you wish, You can pause the video, take your time while you are coloring. And I will probably just add a cute heart here then, but first I will color a stick with a brown pencil. Just shade it a little bit to show that it's made from wood, and then use maybe even here marker. Yeah, and draw a little heart here. And you can color it or just leave like this to show that it's made of wood. Or you can also color it and use your pencil. Just up to you, so many ideas can come here. And I will probably leave like this. So, and look guys, it's really cute, but I want to add some spotlights to make it look even more yummy. Just I will color with white pencil here and drop some spotlights here, so it's already shiny, looks shiny. And I also will shade with white pencil here, so if you have white pencil, just shade a little bit and then it will become even more yummy and shiny and bright. Look, it's already looks amazing guys, really so cute. And now it's just fantastic guys, look how cute and yummy our watermelon ice cream. Well done guys! Thank you for watching this video guys. I hope you enjoyed drawing a watermelon ice cream with me, and I really enjoyed drawing with you, my art friends. And if you like my lessons, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to share your beautiful artworks on my Facebook page, the link to which is below this video. I wish you a good day guys. Bye bye, stay safe, see you soon!